Hello everyone. Today I will show you some tricks of simple interest. Of course, the following questions is based from the previous papers of SSC CGL. As you know, simple interest is equivalent to knowing the percentage, and therefore I'll do with simple interest formula. Some of you will be knowing simple interest formula SI equals to principal into rate into time upon 100. So this is the formula we have as far as simple interest is concerned, and as I've been telling, it is also similar to percentage. Therefore, regardless of this formula, you will be able to solve the questions based by using percentage rule. So looking down, the first question, a sum of rupees 4,000 was lent at a simple interest, which means this is the principal equals to 4,000. It is lended with a simple interest. We have to find this, and the rate of interest is given to us as 5% per annum. This is important because sometimes it will be quarterly, sometimes it will be half yearly, and sometimes even biannually, and for a time period of 2 years. Let me repeat the question once. A sum of rupees 4,000 was lent at a simple interest rate of 5% per annum for a period of 2 years. Now you'll have to find out how much interest was earned, only the interest amount. So firstly, we will try out by using the simple formula, which is SI equals to P into R into T by 100, by 100. Now principal we have is 4,000 into rate. As far as rate is concerned, it is 5 into 2 years. Time is equals to 2 years divided by 100. Now 2 zeros get cancelled. 40 into 5 into 2, 40 into 10, which is equals to rupees 400. So this is equals to SI. This we have learned it by using simple interest formula. Now by percentage rule, as far as percentage rule is concerned, first find out the 5% of 4,000. Okay, so some of you will know how to find based on percentage, but some of you will have a confusion. So to bring it down to a simple way, just divide this 4,000 by 100, which means we have equals to 40. This means that 40 equals to 1% of 4,000. Keep this in mind. 40 equals to 1% of 4,000. Now 40 into 5 will be equals to 5%. 5% of 4,000, which is equals to 200. So rupees 200 is equals to 5% of 4,000, which is for 1 year. Now since we have 2 years here, therefore this rupees 200, you just multiply with 2, you get 400 rupees. So you see, if you see here, this is based on simple interest formula. This is based on percentage rule. So in simple way, what you do, just find out the percentage of 4,000. Find out the percentage of 4,000, that is equals to 200. for 5%. Now multiplied with 2, you get 400. So that is all now. So it is good to know both ways. Now coming down to the next question, we have here, it reads the question: a sum of money doubles itself in 10 years at a certain rate of simple interest. What is the rate of interest? Now the question is we are to find out rate. What are the things given to us? Firstly, the sum of money, which means the amount is equals to double itself, means double up. At what amount of time? In 10 years. Now you just have to find out the rate, okay, the rate of interest. We have as a formula, we have amount equals to principal plus SI, and then as in the question it says a sum of money is doubled, that means the amount will be doubled when SI becomes P. You see, now we have 2P, or in simple term, the very sum of money which was lended, it becomes doubled when SI equals to P, or the lended amount. That being said, we just have to apply the simple rule, that is SI equals to P into R into T by 100. Keeping this in mind, as I have been telling here, here on the top, the amount will be doubled only when SI equals to P. Therefore, SI is P here. SI is P into R into T by 100. Cross multiply. Here cross multiply, we have 100P equals to P into R into T. As rule, right hand side and left hand side, if the variables or the numbers are equal, then we get it cut. And then T, as we have here, T is equals to 10, you see. Therefore, instead of writing here T, we will just write it as 10. So 10 also can get it cancelled, but some of you will have a confusion, therefore I'll prolong it. Rate equals to 100 by 10, 0 gets cancelled, so rate will be equals to 10%. It means that a sum of money will be doubled in 10 years if the rate of interest is equals to 10%. I hope this is clear. Keep in mind the simple rule here, and of course in this case also you will be able to do with percentage. Leave a comment, and then in the next video I'll show you how to find percentage. I'll show you how to find this question through percentage rule. Coming down to the next question, Rahul invested 5,000 at a simple interest rate. How much total money will Rahul get back after 3 years? So now you have to keep in mind, total means amount, and as a rule or formula, we have amount means equals to principal plus SI. You can just write it as total. Therefore, furthermore, you just have to apply simple interest equals to principal into rate into time. Don't mind about capital letters or small letters, you just keep this in mind. So you just have to divide by 100, put the value. Principal is 5,000 into rate is 4 into time is 3. divide by this one. 20 get cancel. Now what we have is 50 into 4 into 3. 250 into 4 is 200 into 3, which is equals to rupees 600. So this is SI. Now total amount will be equals to principal plus SI, which is equals to 5000 plus 600, which is equals to 5600 rupees. So this is all. Now, like in the previous case, like in the previous percentage rule here, you please try this for a moment, because if you really is orienting towards solving this kind of questions in a matter of few seconds, then the percentage rule or the percentage way will be far easier, and it will of course take much lesser time. Now, for example, as I've been telling, this is now percentage rule with percentage rule. 5,000, okay, 5,000. You just have to find out 4%. Okay, you just have to find 4% of 5,000. So just divide it by 100 into 4, which will be 200. Now this is 200 is for 1 year. Multiply with 3, you have got 600. Now amount equals to principal plus SI, which is equals to 5,000 plus 600, which is equals to 5600 rupees. So these are based on the previous question papers of CGL, and also as far as the SI part is concerned, they often ask simple one, but more than that they emphasize on this. They emphasize on clubbing, SI and compound interest. Most of the questions of question based on SI or compound interest, they club this together in one single questions, and they often ask. But if you are lucky enough, simple like this type of questions you will be able to get. Likewise, this is simple interest. Likewise, for compound interest also, in the following video I will show you simple tricks, and I hope this is clear. And if you have any doubts, please leave a comment. Thank you.